everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send promotional messages on WhatsApp. So here let's assume that I have a makeup studio and I maintain the details of my customers in a Google Sheet. Now my objective is to send my customers a promotional message on WhatsApp. Now to do this I need to build a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Google Sheets and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send promotional messages on WhatsApp. So here let's assume that I have a makeup studio and I maintain the details of my customers in a Google Sheet. So here my objective is to send promotional WhatsApp messages to my customers whose details I've added in my Google Sheet. So now to automate this process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly Connect. So here I will click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named my workflow as send promotional messages on WhatsApp, and here now I've selected the folder as Google Sheets to WhatsApp because this is an automation between Google Sheets to WhatsApp, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send promotional messages on WhatsApp. So as I've added the customer details in a Google Sheets, and now by using those details, I want to send them a promotional message on WhatsApp. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I will go to my trigger window, and here I'm going to use Google Sheets as my trigger application because I have the details of my customers in that. And the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. So this trigger will start working whenever a new spreadsheet row will be added or updated. So now moving to the action window, as I want to send a WhatsApp message. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. Here it is. And the action event will be to send template message. So as here you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. My objective is to send promotional messages on WhatsApp to my customers. So here moving to my trigger window, here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do that, firstly I'm going to show you my Google Sheet. So this here is my Google Sheet by the name of customer details, and it consists of two columns. First is of customer name and the second is of customer number, and it only consists of one sheet. So in this Google Sheet you can see that I have added the details of my customers, and now I want to send them a promotional WhatsApp message. So in order to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between this Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. So here I will go to extension and then I will go to Pabbly Connect webhooks. So if you don't have this extension, you can simply go to get add-ons, and here you just have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Here it is. So you also have to follow the same process to install this extension. So I've installed it. It says installed. So now I'm going to close it. Again, I will go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and I will go to initial setup. So now here in this initial setup, it says the webhook URL will be set up on the below selected sheet. So here you can see that it only consists of one sheet. So the selected sheet is sheet 1. Now moving to the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for webhook URL, I'm going to copy it from Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste the same. Moving to the trigger column. So the trigger column is the final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So over here B is my final column, so B will be my trigger column, and once I've selected my webhook URL and the trigger column, I'm going to click on submit. And here you can see that it says the setup has been configured successfully. So now the setup has been configured. So here I'm going to send the test data to Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that it says the test data has been successfully sent. So moving back to Pabbly Connect, and over here you can see that I have received a response. Here's the trigger column: spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, customer name, and the customer number. That means the details of the customer is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I'm setting up this automation right now, so the first step of this automation is set up. That means in the Google Sheet, the details which are added will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the detail over here in Pabbly Connect, now by using WhatsApp Cloud API, I want to send a promotional WhatsApp message. So first I need to establish a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So if you want to learn about that, you can check the video on our YouTube channel. And here in Meta for Developers, this here is the app dashboard. So here I will go to the API setup under WhatsApp. So this here is the temporary access token. I'm going to copy it, and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention it. Now for the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID, once again, I will go there, and here I'm going to copy the phone number ID. I'm going to paste it, and now I'm going to copy the WhatsApp business account ID, and here I've pasted. So once I've mentioned these details, I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that a connection has been successfully established between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So now moving to the template name, language code, and the selected template ID. So here in WhatsApp Manager, these are the templates which I've created before. If you want to create a new template, you can simply click on this create template button and create a new template according to your choice. So this here is the template which I'm going to use, that I've created for my makeup studio by the name of Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. So I'm going to open this template. So over here, this is the template that I've created, and here you can see the content. So after hello, you can see this here is a variable. So this variable is for name. So this will keep on changing accordingly as per the new responses that I'm going to receive. So over here, this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the name of the customers whose details have added in my Google Sheet. And here I've also added the buttons as well. So here is the call to action button which I've added for visit the website and the call us now. So this is the template which I'm going to use by the name of Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. So here in Pabbly Connect, from this template name, I'm going to select this as my template. And automatically it has selected the language code and the selected template ID. So now moving to the recipient mobile number. So now to mention this detail, I'm going to use a method of mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Google Sheets, so here I'm going to map the mobile number. So now moving to the body field, here I need to map the detail of the customer name. So again from the response received, I'm going to map it. So mapping is an important step because whenever you're going to receive a new response or new details, then automatically those details will be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So in order to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message as well, because I have sent this WhatsApp message to my actual number. So now I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message. So here this is the promotional WhatsApp message that has been sent. So here in WhatsApp, this is the body content, here is the regards, and here are the CTA buttons. That means a promotional WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to my customer. So now here in Pabbly Connect, as my objective was to send this promotional WhatsApp message to all of my customers. So here in this Google Sheet, I will go to extensions once again, go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on send all data. So by clicking on send all data, I'm making sure that the promotional WhatsApp message will be sent to all of these customers. So the details of these customers will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on send all data, and it is working. So this automation is a successful one. That means from the Google Sheets where I have added the details of my customers, automatically a promotional WhatsApp message will be sent to those customers through WhatsApp Cloud API. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.